Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're watching it from. It's Joe, your tech handyman. In today's video I'm going to show you how to go about using Leonardo AI. Of course we understand that you can use Leonardo AI to do a whole lot of things, from designing your logo to doing your visual creations and every other thing in between. So in today's video I'm going to show you how the introductory part of Leonardo AI, and then I'm going to introduce you to the main features and of course explain how you are going to use these features to achieve what goals. So if today is the first time of you watching, please subscribe, like, comment and turn on the notifications so that anytime I upload the content you'll be the very first to know. Now if you have your system set up and ready to go, let's dive right in.
So after registering on Leonardo AI, it will take you to this page where you'll be asked to supply your username. Remember, you'll be asked to input your email, so they have to send a link to your email before you get to this point. So when you click on the link that will be sent through the email, you get to this place and then you supply your username. That's exactly what I'm doing. So here they will ask you to select your interest. I will quickly select everything. Once done, you confirm that you are above 18 by checking that box and then click on next. It takes you here. It's asking the role that best describes you, just to get a bit more info. For me, I think I'm leaning more towards the developer, so I'll check on that, whatever applies to you, and then click on start using Leonardo. So when it gets here, these are just introductory prompts, so you just click on next, and then once you're done, just click on done and click let's go, like that. So it takes you here. This is the main landing page of Leonardo AI. So a quick tour. These are the recent creations, what other people have used this platform to create. You can see these are the ones that are upscaled, like so. They are the ones that are used, upscaled, modified for use. So to the left side you can see community feed, personal feed, training and data sets, fine-tuned models. Under the user tools you can see AI image generation, you can see AI canvas still in beta version, and then the texture generation, that one is in alpha version. We explained this in detail. So on the featured email you have the featured model. The first one here is the photo reel. So you can see what people have created with this particular model. These are some of the photos that users have created with photo reel. Photo reel is actually one of the numerous models here. So another one is Dream Shaper V7. So if you open this Dream Shaper V7, you can see what other people have created as well. You can see a nice ad there, a burger somewhat. So this is 3D animation style. You can actually use this one for movies, cartoon characters, movie backgrounds and locations and that. Okay, well, this is another one, an anime pastel dream. This is also what other people have used this model to create. Amazing. So this one is RPG V5. Okay, so people have actually used this model to create all of these images you are seeing. This is Absolute Reality V1.6. This is Deliberate, and a whole lot of other ones, So let's try out the 3D animation style and see what we can create. So once you click on a particular model, click on generate to this model. So it takes you to this place. You just have to uncheck that. So I will supply the first prompt. You can see a spacecraft landing on the surface of the sun, very detailed, realistic galaxies, stars, moons. So here I'll add the negative prompt. I don't want to see any blur. So on the left side you can check the number of images you want to see. I'm selecting 4. So photo reel here is still in the beta version. I will check that. So it can give me a refined search. So this is prompt magic. I'll check this for now, so we come back to it. So still on the left pane you can see public images. You have to upgrade to be able to use this particular feature. So we move on to input dimensions. There are quite a number here, so I'll leave it at the default 51 by 768. So the aspect ratio I think is 2.3. I'll leave it at 2.2 to 3. The guidance scale, the more you drag it further, the more it increases, but some other details are lost. So the control net is there. Here you can upload your image. So once done, you click on generate, just like we have done. So with all the settings, once you click generate, these are the images that we have generated just with a click. You can see the very first one has some planet in there, the second one is a bigger version, the third one has two, and the other one different. So let's change it from cinematic to anime, for instance. So you can change that and click on generate again. So yeah, this is another version of anime, that is the model that is using to generate this. So the first one we generated is here on this particular row. So if we go back and uncheck this prompt magic and click on generate again, it takes you here, you see another different rendition of the same prompt, and then there's alchemy still in beta. So we uncheck it and generate again. I'm just testing out these things so that you know how they work and how you might want to set your stuff and the prompt you are using. So this is how it looks, and you can toggle over the image, and you see this one you can download it right away. This one you can unzoom image, still in the beta version. For instance, if I click, it zooms out. You can revert, this is the original, you can revert it to the unzoomed image like so, to really get the details. Okay, so here you can remove background using this particular button, and then here you can make it HP Crisp upscaler, uses to upgrade, to balance things up, to upscale it. This one is to edit it in canvas, and then this one is to use image for image. We are going to explain this in detail in our subsequent videos. And this one is to upscale image alternate, and this is to smooth upscaler. This one is to creative upscale, but this is still, you have to upgrade before you can use it. So guys, take time out to explore this. In our next video, we'll get into more detail. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next video.